Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, today in this video I want to talk about FundedNext project. This project have a massive potential inside. I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you use this amazing platform and how can you maximize your profit. So don't skip any part of this video, and you can find out the official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and you can join this amazing platform. So dear friends, before going to start the further review, I would request you, if you are a new one on my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming video notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, FundedNext offer you their fund and you can earn a lot of profit. So funding promising traders worldwide. Dear friends, you can maximize your trading success with FundedNext trade up to $3 lakh on a FundedNext account, or earn up to 95% of the profit. So I will tell you how can you make profit through this amazing platform. So you can start challenging, as well as I recommended you to must be join this Discord server to get latest news and updates as well. And you can also join their community as a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube channel, and you will be able to get our latest news and updates related to this amazing project. So here you can also check out the exciting news that Emmy Mortensen, FIFA Golden Glove winner and World Cup champions 2023, he is also promoting a FundedNext project, as you can see. So he is also advising to all of you. So he is also promoting, and you can also join this amazing platform and you can make passive income. So here we can also learn about its accomplishments, like that it is covered already 190 plus countries, and the total payout is $51 million, and average payout in time as 5 hours. You can also check at the total funded traders are already attached with this project is 51k as well. So here you can also check out the brand and companies who are supporting this amazing platform and what makes FundedNext difference. So 50% profit sharing from the challenging phase, and FundedNext is the only firm to offer a 15% profit sharing from the profit you make during the challenging phase. This is to incentives of top traders and to deliver on the promises of the world best payout business, and no time limit or challenging phase. So dear friends, you can use any time and you can trade, and this means that you can trade with a complete peace of mind, no more anxiety to reach the profit target with an deadline as well, and balance based drawdown as well, and raw spreads and lowest commission. And dear friends, you can make money through this amazing platform as well. So here we can also check out more highlights for FundedNext traders detail. So 15% profit share from the demo phase, and you can get this one and you can make passive income as well. So let's check out more learn and FundedNext challenges types. So they are recommended you to get through all made models and pick a package that suit for your trading style as well. So you can choose challenging type 1, challenging type 2 or 3. So the first one is evolution, the second one is expressive, and the third one is stellar. And you can use any type of package and you can invest and you can start and you can make passive income. So if you want to be choose challenge type 1 like that evolution, so your goal is this model will be to prove your trading ability in 2 phases with every realistic profit targeted, and once you achieve the target you will start trading on funded account with a 80% profit split as well. So if you choose the expresses challenge type 2, your goal is to model will be to hit an ambitious profit targeted with no limit. Once achieve the target you will start trading on FundedNext account with a 60% profit split as well. So if you want to be the choose the stellar, so in this model the rules are similar compared to other challenges type, your goal is hit the specific profit target with no time limit, and once achieved you move to the funded next with initial 80% profit share, and after scales up this will raise to 90% as well. So choose the best funded next challenges like that. You can choose from here stellar challenge, and you can also check out the account size, and you can check out the amounts which you want to be invest here, and then you can check out the profit share from challenge phase, and in phase 1 target as phase 2, phase 3, and maximize daily profit and loss detail overall. You can check out all information from here. As if you want to be the evaluation, you can check out the evaluation tables detail and express detail as well. So you can also check out the swap account and swap free account as well, and consistency and non-consistency detail. So you can swap different tabs on, and you can also check out all information from here as well. And the question is that why choose funded next to explore the future that make funded next stand out. So here we can also check out some variables in funded next as well as compared to FTMO and the funded traders detail as well. So you can also check out the profit share from challenge phase profit is higher than the other, like that it is 15%, and the other two is 0%, and real profit share is 80%, almost same in all. But profit target you can also check out, and drawdown details, and as well as account reset options, and one-stop challenges detail, as well as free competition and global meetup detail as well. So you can also check out, and you can check the comparison, and then you will be able to choose the funded next. Of course this have a massive potential and a lot of unique features as well. So check out the competitive spreads as well, and log into MT4 or MT5 with these credentials to check out a raw spread across different instructions, and granted best prep trading conditions that raw spread or manual splits on execution. So check spread MT5, and you can also check out the login ID detail, investor password, and source detail as well, and you can also check out a platform 4 with 5 as well. So see why we are the right partner for you. So funded next aims to be the best partner for you. That is why we carefully thought out each and every aspect of traders journey with funded next. So here are a few points we set apart, like that get your account in a second as well. You can get access right now. Funded next pro sport, you can get 24/7 a day, anytime online sport as well, and fastest payout. You can start a transaction and get money as well. So they are providing the fastest payouts with multiple options like the bank transfer, wise, crypto, perfect money, and your satisfaction is the priority. You can choose anyone and you can get payout instantly as well. So reset top up as well. So they are provide opportunity to restart your trading journey. Even if you have violated any rules, you can reset your trading balance as a discount price with these options, and monthly competition. So ready to test your trading matter. So participate in monthly content size, the opportunity to win cash reward and unlock free accounts. Take the challenges, emerge victories as well. So best from trading conditions. So with the trading as well as growth next, and incentive lead to prep trading and industry to prep different faster execution. So super raw spreads and lowest commission. So the commitment to provide the best trading conditions set up apart as a top from the market as well. So here we can also learn the icons around the world supported funded next. So global leaders are cheering and sport funded next. Now it is the turn to be the part of best trading challenges. So like that Chris Gills, and here you can also check out the and other one players are supported this amazing project funded next, and they are promoting, and you should must be right time to join this amazing project as well and meet the team behind funded next. Though it has a registered and operation office in UAE, let's take a tour of the operations HQ with the CEO of funded next, and you can watch this video and understand more better about this one. So join join the global community for a trader by the trader and get all exclusive trading resources, economy news update, and fundamental list of best trading practice, and share with you are up to the outside of the trading, and you can hang around with other like-minded traders and truly build a connection and come and start the conversation. Join their Discord server, as well as you can join Facebook community, and you can learn more and you can grow. A lot of other people are doing like this with FundedNext as well. So let's check out how can we start the free dashboard tours, and how can we make our account, and how can we start make money on this amazing platform. So here you can also check out the free dashboard server. You can get registered, and defense each offer is will be ended just 2 days, 21 hour and 36 minutes are left. So simply click on the free dashboard tour and you can create your account and you can start making money right now. So dear friends, take a free tour of a dashboard and unlock its potential. So dear friends, you can get the exclusive tour of platform with a 10 seconds by simply submitting the following information. Like that, you need to enter your first name, last name, email, and you can select your country, password, confirm password, and then simply tap the two radio buttons and then simply click on the register button. So it is very easy way to get registered, and let's check out. I have already created my account, so I am going to the login and then simply click on the login button. And dear fans, you can get in 10 seconds successfully. You can like that I have successfully logged in, and here you can also check, you can complete the challenging phase, harness your trading skills, and get FundedNext account as well. So here you will be able to check out your activate account, inactive account detail, and breached accounts detail, and free dashboard tours. You can also check out the timing, and you are given to demo account to experience the dashboard as well. So here you can also check out that here are some offers, and you can get these one and profit of challenges phase profit as well, and you can participate and get more here. So you can also check out the coupon code to get this profit, like that 15% are lifetime payout, and like that 85% and 50% are available. You're gonna check out all information. So let's check out first here you can also find out the menus, and you can also check out the billing detail, and here you can choose your plan which you want to be invest as well. So here you can choose the Stealer 2-step challenge, as well as you can also check out other, and you can also check out the payment you need to deposit here. So your total price is $59 for enroll. You can also check out. So here we need to select the plan type, like the 1-step or 2-step, and we need to select the platform, like that platform 4 or 5, and select your preference, like the swap or swap free as well. So here you can also select add on, like that lifetime payout 90% price plus 20% if you check on it as well. So here you can also check out the funding models detail, a 2-step assessment process, 5% daily down, 10% overall down, and 5% trading days, and 50% profit share from challenging phase as well. So once you check all information and defend, then you simply click on the enroll now, as well as you can also check out the evaluations, and up to 22% is discount here. So hurry up and get the help this, and you can also join this and offer get this one right now. So you can also choose this one, and if you want to be the express, you simply click on it, and then you can set this one and you can start with as well. So let's check out the different competition that are offered here, and we can participate and make money as well. So you can also participate and you can make a lot of income. So FundedNext monthly competition will be very much in FundedNext free trading competition. Unleash your trading potential and win cash prize and a challenging account registered now. So here you can also check out that some competition are already finished, and you can also check out the winners detail if you want. So here the next one challenge is December competition, and DFN it is upcoming, and you must be follow them on social media, then you will be able to get notification, and you can participate. And also you can check out the start and ending date, like that it will start in December 1, 2023, and it will be ended on 31st December 2023. So the price is $30,000 plus cash and $2.75 million worth of challenges account. So content and detail is 43,501. So hurry up, you can also participate in this competition, and the time until start you can also check only 12 days, 11 hours and 32 minutes. So first of all, you need to get registered, and then you will be able to participate in December competition. So simply click on the registered button, and here is processing start, and you need to enter some information, and then you will be able to get. So like that, I appreciate you to actually participate and exciting to see your event and I on your email to competition detail and update. Best of luck. So now you need to check out your email which you have used to make account registered, and then I will be able to check out and participate in December competition. I can win 30,000 cash plus 2.5 million worth of challenges account detail as well. So here we can also check out the utility of this amazing project, and we can learn about that. Try TradeSync for 2 months, and one requested you will be notified you email within 48 hours as well. So here we can also check out the tool that we can use and download, like that supply and demand indicator and setup guide for installing the supply and demand indicator as well. FundedNext MT5 download for window, and we can use and download and use for window as well. FundedNext Trader Manager and FundedNext MT4 downloads for window as well, and FundedNext Trading Journey as well. So these are the features you can download and you can use as well. And here we can also check out the ebook Pro Trader Secrets. We can download this and we can read out on our PC or mobile as well. So here we can also check out some samples detail and defense. We can learn more about that. As a leading proprietary trading firm, we are committed to offering the best promo trading conditions and the most competitive spread across a diverse range of instruments, and dive into explore the various instruments that offer and experience the funded next different infrastructure as well. So here we can also check out their samples price and all information from here as well. So here we can also check out the new calendars detail and defense. You can learn and view interactive economic calendar for important events and release, like that. You can also check out the all information, and you can choose your time zone if you want to be select anyone according to your country as well. And you can also check out the impact event currency and date forecast and previous detail as well, and you can keep an eye on it and you can participate if any event will be started as soon. So you can also get 24/7 a day help here as well. And if you have any question ongoing offers and promotions detail, you can search from articles and explore FundedNext frequently asked question for all your queries, like that, about FundedNext as well, and general and Steeler 1 type 2 step 2 step 1 3 and challenging as fair. You can find out any question if you want to be get help here. You can get as well as defense. You can also get online customer service, and you can get typically in reply in a few minutes. You simply type your message here, and you can also check out the news as well. So dear friends, this project is a real earning project that can help you to make passive income. So I also recommend it to all of you. Must be join this amazing platform as well as like this video, share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.